Hey Mark, how was your date last night?
It was great. We really hit it off.
Nice. So you two had fun?
Yeah, we talked for hours.
Wow, that's awesome. You don't hit it off with everyone.
True, she's really easy to talk to.
What's she like?
She's funny, kind, and super friendly.
Sounds like a people person.
Oh, totally. She knows how to make everyone feel comfortable.
I like people like that. It makes hanging out so easy.
You know what's funny? When the check came, she said, "Let's go Dutch."
Really? That's cool.
Yeah, she didn't want me to pay for everything.
That's fair. Going Dutch is a good idea sometimes.
I agree. It keeps things simple.
So where did you go?
To a small cafe downtown. There was live music.
Oh, I love that place.
The singer was amazing. Everyone was dancing.
Sounds fun. Who was the life of the party?
Definitely her. She made everyone laugh.
Then she must be really social.
Yeah, she's the life of the party wherever she goes.
Wow, sounds like a great night.
It was. We hit it off, went Dutch, and had a blast.
I'm happy for you, Mark.
Thanks. I think I'll see her again.
Of course you will. You two already hit it off.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson on English idioms. In this video, we will learn fun expressions people use in social situations and dating. The idioms are hit it off, a people person, go Dutch, and the life of the party. Let's begin! The first idiom is hit it off. It means to immediately have a good connection or friendship with someone.
How was your first date?
It was great. We really hit it off.
So, hit it off means to like each other right away and get along easily. The next idiom is a people person. It means someone who enjoys being around others and gets along with everyone.
Maria talks to everyone and makes friends so fast.
Yeah, she's really a people person.
So, a people person is someone friendly, social, and outgoing. The third idiom is go Dutch. It means that everyone pays for their own food or expenses.
Who paid for dinner last night?
We went Dutch. Each of us paid our own bill.
So, go Dutch means to share the cost equally instead of one person paying. The last idiom is the life of the party. It means someone who makes everyone laugh and keeps the energy high.
Everyone loved John at the party last night.
Of course, he's always the life of the party.
So, the life of the party means the most fun and social person at an event. Now let's practice with 20 questions. Answer first with a short response and then repeat the idiom in a longer sentence. If two people meet and instantly like each other, did they hit it off? Yes, they did. They hit it off. Does hit it off mean to argue with someone? No, that's not true. It means to get along well right away. If your friend says, "We talk for hours and laugh a lot," did they hit it off? Yes, they did. They hit it off perfectly. If someone makes friends easily and enjoys people, are they a people person? Yes, they are. They are a people person. Does people person mean someone shy and quiet? No, it doesn't. It means someone outgoing and friendly. If Maria loves taking and helping others, is she a people person? Yes, she is. She is a people person. If two coworkers can't stop arguing, did they hit it off? No, they didn't. They didn't hit it off. If your date pays for your dinner, do you go Dutch? No, that's not true. Going Dutch means each person pays their own bill. If both friends pay for their own meals, did they go Dutch? Yes, they did. They went Dutch. If I say, "Let's go Dutch tonight," what do I mean? You mean everyone will pay for their own food. Does the life of the party mean someone boring and quiet? No, that's false. It means someone who brings fun and energy. If everyone is laughing and dancing around one person, are they life of the party? Yes, they are. They are the life of the party. If someone loves making others smile, are they a people person? Yes, they are. They are a people person. If two students start talking and become friends fast, did they hit it off? Yes, they did. They hit it off. If we both pay for our own coffee, did we go Dutch? Yes, that's right. We went Dutch. If everyone enjoys your jobs and stories, are you the life of the party? Yes, I am. I'm the life of the party. If someone never talks or smiles, are they a people person? No, they aren't. They are not a people person. If your boss says, let's go Dutch for lunch, what does it mean? It means everyone pays for their own food. If a person brings joy and energy to every event, are the life of the party? Yes, that's correct. They are the life of the party. If two new coworkers become friends right away, did they hit it off? Yes, they did. They hit it off from the start.